The Morgan Motor Company is a very iconic British sports car manufacturer. It started in 1909 with the production of a three-wheeler, and then the cars have evolved throughout the years. Craftsmanship is a term that's often associated with Morgan. Every single Morgan is completely bespoke to their owner.
My grandfather, Harry Morgan, arguably invented one of the first affordable cars. The Morgan three-wheeler was actually a really groundbreaking design.
In 2011, we thought it would be a fantastic idea to celebrate our centenary by relaunching a three-wheeled vehicle. We were able to go from an initial sketch to vehicles driving on the road in a matter of 18 months. And that's where technology becomes so important for us.
With the help of Autodesk and Hewlett-Packard, we can afford to have designers and engineers who are using the very latest equipment to actually create a car in virtual reality. It's allowed a small company like Morgan to pitch way above its weight.
We have a really good partnership with HP and Nvidia. We essentially use entirely HP Z workstations inside of the department. My particular machine inside the office is a HP Z420 workstation. We have Quadro cards in each machine.
When we start some of our design process, quite often we'll work with clay. And this is where the ZBook mobile workstations come in.
So we can actually scan this straight into the ZBook. And in doing so, we then have a point cloud, and then we can start modelling this and building this up in Alias. We also use these ZBooks when meeting customers. But that same data can also be given to the engineers we're working alongside with and understand exactly what they're looking at. You can see on the back it's going to feature a car width tyre with an alloy wheel. So of course it comes to a point in the process where we have to present our final ideas formally to the directors and shareholders. One of the most powerful pieces of equipment we have in our arsenal is the Z1 workstation. When you combine this with a Nvidia Quadro graphics card, the outputs are very realistic, very fast and very powerful. You look at this screen from a 180-degree perspective in Showcase, and everyone gets a confidence in what they're looking at because it looks so realistic. We'll also then use 3ds Max Design to create high-quality, high-definition rendered outputs that we can actually publish and print and create our printed publicity with.
Initially I chose HP because I actually liked the way the machines looked. After that, that machine's got to be working day in, day out. And then you start to think, well, actually, are they built well? And you really see that when you open up one of the machines. We've never had a workstation fail. It's important that Autodesk, HP, Nvidia work together on certifying each other's products.
So with the three-wheeler, what we were able to do was take the inspiration of the past and turn it into something that's entirely modern.
When you consider that many companies will spend 5 or 6 years developing a new car, I think that's testament to HP and Nvidia technology that's given us the ability to reduce and visualize and evaluate very quickly.
I always tell people that my favourite Morgan is the one we haven't built yet, because my passion really is seeing what we can do in the future. I do absolutely adore driving Morgan cars. It does pick you up, it really does.